Welcome to Scoopbox TV, NASA Disclosure. Before we start, if you enjoy my videos, subscribe, like, share and follow me on Twitter, for the latest disclosure videos. Thank you, it will mean a lot for the growth of my channel. Today I am disclosing footage taken by astronaut Jack Fischer's Headcam, from his extravehicular activity, on the 12th of May, 2017. In this footage, we see an anomaly, sitting next to our home planet, Earth. The footage is far too quick, so let's slow it down. The object is very bright, but is that the sun's reflection, off of the anomaly's surface, or is it emitting its own light? It is very large as it sits there next to the Earth. The best time to see these anomalies is during sunrise or sunset, as the sun makes them visible. They are not satellites, as they sit much further away from the Earth than the International Space Station. So what are these UFOs? I have seen many of these anomalies during the astronaut's extravehicular activities. Some move from a stationary position. Others move backwards and forwards, but this one seems to be stationary. NASA must know what these anomalies are, yet they will never talk about them. I get the impression that they are watching our progress in space travel. That is if they don't belong to us. If they do belong to us, then why the secrecy? I began researching these NASA anomalies because I myself saw something enter our atmosphere, move along the sky, change color, then leave the Earth's atmosphere in such a way that made me believe we are either not alone, or we are being lied to, and the current space program is a farce. Have you ever wondered why all the latest blockbuster movies over the last decade have involved aliens and space travel? Perhaps they are desensitizing the human race for the disclosure we have all been craving. I believe we are ready. I hope it happens in my lifetime. The vast majority of my videos are made from official NASA footage, and some of my findings are literally out of this world. If you are looking for proof that we are not alone, or that NASA has been lying to us for a very long time, check out my Expedition 50 video. What do you make of this? Thank you for watching, stay safe and keep your eyes on the sky.